Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss which cement work best for concrete slab. Everyone like to renovate their home once in a while. This is primarily because of the rusty walls or water leakage from the roof and floor cracks. Technology is developing day by day and the construction industry has been doing an excellent job by wholeheartedly adopting it. Nowadays, you can design your home through virtual home renovations app. Will begin at home. You do not have to visit shop to build your dream house. You have to keep in mind many essential factors when you renovate your home. The quantity of accessories like paint, wood, cement, etc. One major problem found in the most houses in floor cracks, as the people prefer using concrete slab to avoid this. However, you need to use the best quality cement for this slab with a quality warranty. So, which cement is the best for the constructions of the concrete slab? Here we will discuss some points. The best type of cement for the concrete slab, is it PPC, Portland Pozzolana cement, or ordinary Portland cement OPC. After that, we will compare the properties and the work of both the cements PPC and OPC, and at last we will go to the conclusion. The best type of cement for the concrete slab. Different type of cement are used to the concrete construct concrete slab, but the best would be Portland Pozzolana cement (PPC). People use PPC to produce concrete for homes, residential area, and schools. PPC is made of cement clinker 77% and gypsum 3 to 5% and fly ash around 20%. It is helpful for works like waterproofing, tilting, brick hardwork, brick handiwork, and plastering. It is predisposed to fewer cracks and less shrinking and has good result and workability. It also removes the firm work, providing more time. This type of cement allows the slab to withstand heavy load without cracking. First, we will discuss PPC, Portland Pozzolana cement. This cement is often used in underwater constructions because it is resistant to sulfate attacks. It is helpful for the construction of dam and bridge as they come in direct contact with water and have a high risk of the chemical reaction. PPC is the environmentally friendly as it consists of the fly ash and coal oxidation product compose the granular particle of the burned fuels that come out of the thermal power plant. Next one is ordinary Portland cement (OPC), another type of cement found very effectively for the construction of the cement slab. Ordinary Portland cement (OPC) is mainly used for the concrete slab of buildings like factories and power plants. OPC is the primary type of the cement which is a mixture of gypsum 5% and slim rested cement clinker. It gives compressive intensity to the strike firmly at the early stage and has high workability and strength in the first 28 days. It is also helpful for the constructions of other constructions elements like beam and column. Now discuss which one is best. Is it PPC or OPC? They depend on their property and work. PPC is more cheaper than OPC, but it takes long to settle, and OPC preferred in rainy season as it becomes hard more quickly and dry quickly. However, the faster it dried off, the more it can produce it during a chemical reaction. This process causes the cement to crack. and to avoid it, you have to continuously use water to cure it in less time and take extra care. Extra care. But PPC, on the other hand, does not need lot of care and it only take longer, but the quality is equal to the OPC. Hence, PPC is preferred on the large scale where we are unable to take care per square foot. The strength of slab depend on the mixture more than the type of the cement you used. This is notable point. So, if you prefer the strength of the cement but can wait long and want to effortless better result, use PPC, Portland, Pozzolana Portland cement. But if you need faster result and have good curing tool and have time to cure per square feet and have time to cure better, use OPC, ordinary Portland cement. If we come to the conclusion, both ordinary Portland cement and Pozzolana Portland cement are suitable cement type you can use to construct concrete slab. The key is to get the mixture right, that is to add right amount of the cement and water. But ordinary Portland and Pozzolana Portland cement provide appropriate strength to the concrete slab to withstand heavy load. PPC is beneficial in hostile environment and it can also help in construction of the products made with OPC. However, OPC is helpful in construction of concrete that make grouts and mortars. Ordinary Portland cement ideal for hug building and industrial area, whereas Pozzolana Portland cement is ideal for residential area. Thanks for watching this video. We will come meet in another video with new topics.